is running a program that was installed years ago by your past, by your fears, by everything you were told you could not have. Today, we delete it in 15 minutes. Stay with me. Here is what science knows that most people do not. Your brain cannot tell the difference between what is real and what you vividly imagine. When you repeatedly think the same thought, your brain builds a neural pathway, a road. The more you think it, the wider the road becomes, until it becomes automatic, until it becomes who you are. This is why you keep attracting the same situations, the same relationships, the same financial reality. Not because you are unlucky, not because you do not deserve better, but because your brain is running the same old roads over and over on autopilot. The good news? You can build new roads, starting right now. This is called neuroplasticity, and it is the most powerful tool you have ever been given. Let us use it. Before we build the new, we must release the old. The old program running in your mind sounds like this: I am not enough. Money is hard to get. Good things do not last. I always end up alone. I am not the kind of person who succeeds. You have been thinking these thoughts so long, they feel like truth. They are not truth. They are old code, written by fear, repeated until believed. Right now, we are deleting that code. Take a breath and repeat. I am no longer the person who believes those lies. I release every thought that told me I was less than. That program ends right now, in this moment, forever. Feel that. Something just shifted. Now we prepare your brain to receive new programming. When you slow your breathing, your brain shifts from beta waves, stress and thinking, to alpha waves. Alpha is the doorway to your subconscious mind. This is where real reprogramming happens. Follow me. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Breathe in. Hold. And release. Your brain is now open. Your subconscious is listening. What we say next goes deep. Now we install the new program. Say each one out loud. Do not just read it. Say it. Feel it. Let your body believe it. Money. Money is energy, and I am magnetic to it. Wealth flows to me easily and naturally. I am worthy of financial abundance right now, exactly as I am. My income is constantly increasing from expected and unexpected sources. I do not chase money. I become the person money is drawn to. Financial freedom is not a dream. It is my new normal, starting today. Feel the truth of that, not with your mind, with your body. Where do you feel resistance? That is where the old program lives. Breathe into it and let it go. Now deeper, your identity. Most people believe they are their thoughts, their feelings, their past. But you are not your thoughts. You are the one who observes the thoughts. And the observer can choose new thoughts at any moment, including this one. Repeat, I am not my past. My past does not define what is possible for me now. I am not my old story. I am the author, and I am writing a new one. I choose who I become every single day, starting with this moment. The version of me who has everything I desire already exists. I am becoming that person now. That is your new identity. Say it until your nervous system stops resisting, until your body says yes. Now close your eyes or soften your gaze. We are going to visit the quantum field, the field where your new reality already exists. See yourself not as you are today, as you will be 6 months from now, a year from now. Where are you? What does your life look like? What do you see around you? How does your body feel in this new reality? Feel the financial freedom, the ease, the relief of knowing that you made it. Feel the relationships, the love, the deep sense of belonging. Feel the health, the energy, the aliveness in your body. This is not fantasy, this is a preview. Your brain is experiencing this as real right now. New neural pathways are being built right now. Your new reality is being programmed right now. Stay here. Feel it fully. This is where change happens. Now the most powerful part, elevated emotion. Your thoughts send a signal, but your emotions are the amplitude of that signal. The universe responds not to what you think, but to how you feel. So feel this now. Gratitude. Feel grateful for the abundance that is already on its way, as if it has already arrived. Feel the joy, the pure joy of living your best life right now, in this body, in this moment. Feel the love for yourself, for this journey, for the person you are becoming. These emotions, gratitude, joy, love, are your most powerful magnets. Stay in them as long as you can. This is reprogramming. This is manifestation. This is you becoming new. You have done the work. In these 15 minutes, your brain has changed. New neural pathways, new beliefs, new identity. The old program is deleted. The new you starts now. But here is the key. Do this every day, for 21 days, because one session opens the door. Daily practice walks you through it. Carry this feeling into everything you do today. When the old thoughts come back and they will say, that is the old program. I do not run that anymore. I am reprogrammed. I am renewed. I am the new version of myself, starting right now. See you tomorrow, same time, new you.